Hey guys, today I want to show you our REFS framework. That's our framework on how to get ahead of 99% of businesses in your field. If you're looking to scale your business and get ahead of all the competition, you don't want to miss this framework. We're going to break it down for you, explain how you can use it to apply and start seeing massive gains with your business. My name is Steven with Business Growth Engine. We help veterans with their small businesses scale, grow, and automate their business. We're veterans ourselves. We want to help other veterans as well. And this framework is going to get you ahead of 99% of your business. So we're going to break it down to you today. The very first thing that you need to do to get ahead of business is you need to have a routine. And what I mean by that is not just waking up early, going to the gym, all of that. But as a leader of your business, you need to set the example. You need to set the standard. You need to set what your business is going to become. And that all starts with your routine. If you're putting in the work every single day, and I'm not just talking about all the lazy work that you have to do, writing up the handbooks, writing out the manuals, all that stuff, but going in, creating the content, when you're hitting those brick walls, you're looking for ways to get past those brick walls. You need to be able to plow through those brick walls. That's what your routine is all about. If you have a set routine, you're going to be able to get ahead of the people that are just waking up at 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning and just doing whatever to make their business move along. If you have a routine, that means that you're able to say, hey, every single day, Sunday through Sunday, not just the weekdays. If you're working on Saturdays and Sundays, you're gaining so much more time ahead of your competition. So your routine needs to be every single day. If you're creating your routine and you're waking up at 5 a.m. every single day, you hit that gym, you go to the gym, you make that difference, you get in shape. Because once you're in shape, you're able to focus more, you better have mental clarity, you're able to scale your business at a much faster pace just because you're able to think clearer, you're able to be healthier, you're able to fight off diseases. That's a common sense thing. If you're not in the gym, if you're not getting in shape, your business is going to fail. Because the problem is that all your employees are going to be looking up to you. They're going to be seeing you, and they're going to be seeing how fat you're getting. So they're going to become lazy. They're going to become fat as well. So if you're not creating a routine starting at whatever time benefits you, then you're going to fail. And then normally what you want to do after that is you want to come up with your routine on what day of the week you're going to do what. Every single day, you need to be setting that time to do not disturb. Turn off that damn phone. If you're not turning off your phone, you're not disconnecting from the world. You're not focusing on your business. If you're not focusing on your business, you're not winning in business. You need to know what the fuck you want and how to get it. That is the key to growing your business. You have to take care of your body, you have to exercise, and you have to eat well. If you're not doing that stuff, you're going to fail. The next thing you need to do is you need to put in the effort. That is the big key with small businesses. A lot of businesses start scaling and growing, and then they start getting complacent. When they start getting complacent, that's when you can start attacking. You need to understand that if you're able to put in the effort, more effort than all your competition, you're going to go so much further. If you look at all the great entrepreneurs, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, all of them, think about the hours that they put into their businesses. If you listen to any of the interviews with Elon Musk, he was putting in hundreds of hours a week into his business. I'm not saying you have to do that every single week, but you need to be putting in more effort than any of your employees. It's your business. You need to set that example. You need to set that bar high, because once you have that bar high, then you're going to be able to grow. If you're not putting in the effort, if you're not putting in anywhere between 10 to 20 times the effort of all of your employees combined, you're not going to grow. And that's one of the big things that we teach. You need to put in 10 to 20x the amount of effort as your best employee. Or if you don't have any employees, you need to look at your competition and put in 10 to 20x the amount of effort that they are putting in. Because if they're posting one piece of content a week and you're putting in 10 to 20x, you're looking at anywhere between 10 to 20 pieces of content online a week. Think about how much more value you're going to be giving your clients if you're putting in 10 to 20 times more value. If your competition is only writing 1 to 2 emails a week to their email list, you need to be writing anywhere between 10 to 20 to even 40 times that amount. Because the problem is that a lot of people are afraid of reaching out to their database, they're afraid to reach out to their email list that many times. You need to be reaching out until they say no. So if you're not putting in that effort, you're not growing your business. You have to stop trying to please everybody, stop being afraid, and start putting in the effort for your business. Your business is only going to grow as fast as you want it to grow. So if you're moseying along at a snail speed, then you're only going to grow a little bit at a time. But if you're able to apply the 10x to 20x effort, you're going to grow even faster than any of your competitors. The next thing on our framework is the F. It stands for focus. You need to focus. You need to be able, once you're ready to work for the day, put in headphones, block off the sound, block off the world around you, put your computer in do not disturb, put your contacts in do not disturb. That text message can wait. You need to focus on your business. Focus on the tasks at hand. Do not leave anything on your to-do list to be done for that day that you could put off. Do not put it off. You need to focus on what you're trying to achieve. Get that mindset, find that goal, and attack that goal as fast as you possibly can. If your goal is $1 million a year, you need to be making $83,333 a month. That's 3 cents per second. If you're able to do that, you're able to hit $1 million a year. But you need to understand that that takes time, that takes focus, and that takes effort. The next thing that you need in order to grow is you can have a routine, you can have your effort, you can have your focus all day long, but if you do not have a strategy in place, you're going to fail. You need to have your strategy in order to grow your business. You need to understand what your goals are for your business. If your goals are just to create a business to make money, you might as well get out of the business as fast as possible because you're never going to make money. You're never going to be happy. You're never going to chase as much money as you think you are. But if you're able to create a strategy that defines who you are, why you're doing what you're doing, and able to implement those skills by focusing, putting in that effort and creating that routine, you're going to grow at the 10 to 20x speed. If you're able to say, hey, this is who we want to be, this is what we want to achieve, this is what we want to tackle, that's how you're going to be effective, that's how you're going to grow your business. So altogether, this is what we call our REFS framework. So this framework can be applied to anything inside your business, but it all starts with you as the leader. If you can't apply this to your own self, to your own personal self, your business can never achieve success. You need to apply it to yourself, you need to apply it to your business, and on top of that, you need to be able to apply it into your employees as well. Because once you start becoming a leader, by creating that routine, putting in that effort, focusing on what you need to do, and having a solid strategy, all of your employees will look up to you and they will do the exact same thing that you want to do. Good people work for strong leaders. Bad people work for bosses for money. You need to pay attention to who you are and who you want to achieve in order to be successful. Apply the REFS framework to your business today and you're going to see a 10 to 20x rate of return on your business. I guarantee it.